Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing all about classified advertisements. And before that, before I discuss how to write different types of classified advertisements, I would be touching upon the basic definition of an advertisement. So, an advertisement is basically a notice that is issued in public, informing them about a job vacancy or an accommodation that is on rent, or an accommodation, or someone who wants accommodation, and someone who is seeking for a job, or someone who is willing to employ some services. So all of these situations of vacancies, and all of the situations related to selling of goods and properties, all of this information is drafted in the form of a classified advertisement in various newspapers. So whenever you open a newspaper, you may see a column headed as classified. So this classified column, it has all the different types of advertisements which you can see. Someone is trying to sell a property, someone is looking for a job, someone is looking for services, and and there is also a matrimonial section in the page next to it. So this matrimonial section is obviously for people who are looking for prospective grooms or prospective brides. So this is all about classified advertisements. The column of newspapers headed as classified would look something like this. Look at the space each advertisement is taking. Not more than few inches, right? This is how we should also write our advertisements. This is how to the point and precise it should be. Someone who reads an advertisement should know that yes, this is all the information I need to know. So this should be as precise as it should be. Someone who reads this should know about the purpose of this advertisement within seconds. So this is the purpose of writing a classified advertisement, where space is less, and if you occupy more space, obviously you would have to give more money, and more money is not spending more money is not obviously not viable for any kind of business. So this is the goal of a classified advertisement: occupy less space and advertise your product or your asset or your property. Now we'll be talking about various types of classified advertisements. The first and the most important one is situation vacant. This type of advertisement is put up by an employer. Employer is someone who is the head of a business, who is someone who looks for services of other people. So he or she, an employer, can write an advertisement of the services he or she wants to hire, be it a stenographer or a manager or a receptionist, anyone he wants. He can put up the specific details in the form of an advertisement, and he can send it to a specific newspaper. Someone who would be fit for the same job can apply to the company. The next type of is situation wanted. This advertisement is also in relation to employers and employee, but this advertisement is put up by someone who is looking for a job. Someone who is in the need of employment would write all his details, all his qualifications, all the qualities and all the skills he has, and he would draft it in the form of an advertisement, and he or she would give it to the printing press. So this is how not the printing press but the specific newspaper who look for this classified column. So the main difference between situation vacant and situation wanted is that situation vacant is put up by the employer, and situation wanted is put up by someone who is looking for a job, not someone who is looking to hire some services. The next one is for sale. Anybody who has a good that he or she can sell, a property or an asset or anything like that, he or she can draft the structure, qualities, and the physical appearance of these goods, of this property. All the characteristics related to these things can be drafted in an advertisement. The next type is to let. when someone has a property which can be rented, be it a flat or a plot or a house or anything like that, a portion of a house, if that is to be rented, this advertisement comes in play. The next advertisement is accommodation wanted. Now, someone who is looking for accommodation, be it a villa, be it a flat, or a portion of a house, anything like that, he or she would put up an advertisement stating all the requirements in that accommodation he or she wants. So this advertisement is written by someone who is looking for a place of accommodation. The next one is matrimonials. The parents, or the father and mother, or the parents of a bride, of a prospective marriage candidate, be it a male or a female, they can write this advertisement stating all the qualities of the boy or the girl, and also the type of bride or groom they want. For example, if I'm placing a matrimonial ad for my son, first of all, I would state the qualities, all the features, physical features, all the qualifications of my son, all the necessary details related to my son. And after that, I will also state in detail what type of a bride, what type of a wife I want for my son. This is how matrimonial ads work. The next one, and I don't think this advertisement is asked very frequently. This is an advertisement put up for a missing person. So if not for a missing person, it can also be for an object or for a pet, but majorly it's written for a person only. So this is written when a thing or a pet or a person gets missing. This advertisement gives descriptive details for the same, so that if anyone finds the same, he or she can report to the person listed at the end of the advertisement. Now we will go on to discuss how to write the first type of advertisement, that is situation vacant. So the first question is, you are the personnel manager of Green Bio Products Limited, Sector 18, Industrial Area, Faridabad. You need an efficient PA or a stenographer for your office. Write an advertisement for situation vacant column of a local daily. As I said, all the advertisements are put up in the put up in the classified column of a local daily. So classified column has various sub headings. One of the heading is situation vacant, where the employers put up all the services they need, all of the services they are short of, and if the persons are applicable, they can apply for the same post. The first question is asking us to draft an advertisement of situation vacant. So the basic format of an advertisement is very simple. All you have to do is, you have to put up a heading. You have to put up a heading in bold letters and in capital letters. First thing is, this is to be done. And the second thing is that without leaving any line, you have to start your advertisement. The content of the advertisement, it can be full of grammatical errors, not full, but grammatical errors can be here and there, but no one will deduct your marks on that, because in advertisements we are majorly looking for something we are majorly looking for the content which occupies least space. So even if you make some grammatical errors, even if you are not cohesive, or even if you are closing one line with 3 words or 2 words, that is fine, because you just have to state your point that you want a service from someone. So let us read what is in this advertisement. So now the Green Bio Products is looking for a stenographer or a PA. A stenographer is someone who types documents. So this type of person obviously needs some qualities of typing fast. So this is the first quality that the company has written, that the typing speed of the stenographer should be 60 words per minute shorthand and 120 words per minute. So this is the requirement. This is one of the requirements that the company needs. Now the company also needs a smart, efficient PA or a stenographer, and they want someone who can handle computers. They are also saying that salary is also negotiable, and anyone who wants to apply for this job can apply with complete biodata within 10 minutes to the personal manager of Green Bio Products Limited, and then is the complete address. So see how to the point this advertisement is. It is occupying the least space with the least words, and it is within the word limit of 50 words, which you are allotted for an advertisement, be it any type. So first of all, they are stating all the qualities they want in the stenographer. Then they have not written any specific salary they'll give. They're saying the salary is negotiable, and then they are ending the advertisement saying that anyone can apply with complete biodata within 10 days to the personal manager. Now from this word we see that the personal manager is writing this advertisement. This advertisement is put up in a newspaper on the behalf of the personal manager, and then this ends with the address of the manufacturing company. So now if someone has some doubts or someone has to go personally for a walk-in interview, he or she can note down this address for reference. So we have all the major points asked in the question, and this may fetch you full marks. So the next type of advertisement is situation wanted. As you may recall, situation wanted is when someone is seeking for a job, someone is looking for a job. So in this type of advertisement, you write all your education qualifications, your professional qualifications. In this, the format is same. First, you write situation wanted in bold letters, in bold capital letters. Then the next line itself, you start with the content of the advertisement. Let us read the question. You are Anil Verma of 257 Moti Nagar, New Delhi. You have just passed BE Electrical in first division from a prestigious engineering college. You are in need of a job in or around Delhi. Write an advertisement for situation wanted column of the Times of Trident. So now we are given with all the basic information in this question. We are given with the name of the person. We are given the education qualification. We are given in which area the person would prefer the job. And in last, we are given with the name of the newspaper, which is not necessary because we have we are in no need of that. So this advertisement starts with the heading situation wanted, and then the content starts with a first class BE electrical from IIT Delhi seeks a job in and around Delhi, at present working with a private firm in Alwar. Salary expected rupees 12,000. Please contact Anil Verma, 257 Moti Nagar, New Delhi, and then the contact is given. So this tells us that this man Anil Verma is BE electrical, and he is BE electrical from IIT Delhi. He is seeking a job in or around Delhi. At present, he is working with a private firm, and the salary he expects is rupees 12,000. And if anyone has to contact him, and any employer has to contact him for the job, if any employer sees that he fits in his criteria, he or she can contact him on this number. This advertisement is giving us all the basic information that any employer is needed with. You can also see that in this advertisement there are some grammatical errors. At present working with a private firm in Alwar. So we are not given with the complete sentence that at present Anil is working with a private firm in Alwar, because obviously we do not have such space to write complete sentences. In any type of advertisement, You should not go for complete sentences. Be it situation wanted, to let, matrimonial, you should not go for complete sentences. If you write complete sentences, you will lose marks. The next advertisement is accommodation wanted. So the question is, you want to purchase a flat, draft an advertisement in about 50 words for a newspaper, detailing your requirements and your capacity to pay. Now, if anyone who is wanting accommodation, anyone who wants to buy a place to live, he or she will most importantly mention his or her capacity to pay. This is the first requirement that he or she will write in the advertisement. The second most important would be his secondary requirements from the accommodation. That is, in which area he or she wants, and what type of accommodation he wants. If he wants a flat, if he wants a villa or anything like that, whether it should be 3 bedroom with a bathroom, or 1 bedroom, or 3 BHK, 2 BHK. So these are the types of physical requirements any person who is wanting an accommodation, he or she states in an advertisement. This advertisement is talking about the same. For purchase, DLF flat in South City, DLF colony with 3 bedrooms, DD with family lawns, corner flat preferred, price around 20 to 25 lakhs, bona fide owners or dealers to contact, MK Bhasin, 12 Pandara Road, New Delhi, and then the pin code is given and then the phone is given, right? So this person has stated all the necessary requirements. South Delhi, उन्हें घर साउथ दिल्ली में चाहिए, 3 bedroom चाहिए, corner flat would be preferred, and the person is willing to pay 20 to 25 lakhs. And if the owners and the dealers can contact MK Bhasin, who lives at that or at this specific address. There is not a single detail that is missing. As I mentioned, he has written his capacity to pay, he has mentioned the physical features he wants in his flat, and also he has mentioned that he wants a flat in South City, and he's also mentioned his address and his cell phone number, which is most important in these days, without which you cannot contact the person who has put up an advertisement in the newspaper.